Alright, today we are going to look at my car collection, so let's see this. And we might do a just collection for my Xbox One. It's pretty much just great. Okay, look. I've got this. Look at that. You can see that already. See all that. That is very classic. And as you can see, I have a train set in that bag, a green one. If you can see, but look at that much. And I make my dinner there. As you can see, it is. Forgot it. As you can see, I found this, okay? We always do videos about like stuff and all, but if we get 100 likes on this video, we will go out in pitch black, do a YouTube video about it at Search for Killer Clowns. That would be fun to do, but yeah, we will. Now is the end of the day, so, and look at that, once more. And this is all my Xbox games. As you can see, there's only 8. As you can see, my Xbox right there. And as you can see, my TV. And so, okay guys, my car collection, and I'll update this off this video because I have to stop these videos. There's my freaking links with Adidas behind it. And we will do a video on FIFA 17, me versus a hard team. We'll do a video on that if we get up to 20 subs. Because we don't have much subs. We only have 1 at the moment, actually. So, we actually might do another video, so we will see you in another video. Look at that, look at that. Okay, we'll see you with another video, so bye for now.